What's up, YouTube car collecting community? This is Elan, the Pistons fan, coming at you late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. As you guys have seen from my past videos, I just got a brand new camera, and I've been meaning to show a whole bunch of my collection, a whole bunch of my shit for trade, a whole bunch of stuff, but I've been way too busy at the office, so this is a real quick video with the brand new camera showing some of my favorite skins pickups that I've had over the past month or two. First off, I got this Roy Hilo Jr. It's a brand new skins running back, hopefully picked up in the 4th round. And then Nebraska, number 19 out of 50. This card there. Another Rocky National Treasures. Roger Rocky McIntosh. I think this makes 28 out of the total 99 that I have. This is specifically numbered 26 out of 99. Niles Paul. Another Nebraska alumna. Autograph NFL patch, numbered 49 out of 170. Nice card. Wish the company would not fucking use NFL patches and everything, but whatever. Ryan Kerrigan, our number 1 first round draft pick. Nah, I definitely got this out of I picked this up off of Mr. Jason, Big Fish, $14.99.99. My boy from Alabama. Number 91 out of 250. Kerrigan's gonna be the man. Here's Kerrigan red autograph SP. Sweet looking card there. My favorite Kerrigan pickup. A press pass SE. What? 101. Not sure if that's showing up so well. Yeah. And the Diesel, Mr. John Riggins, Fabric of the Game, 2007 Leaf Certified. Got the R from Riggins, numbered 5025. And our 3rd round draft pick, Mr. Leonard Hankerson. God, I hope he's going to be good. He's got hands, he's got character. God, he should be good. Patch out of Elite, numbered 5 of 10. God, it's clear. I'm so sick of trying to figure this shit out, fellas. I'm sorry. Yeah. And my last Leonard Hankerson pickup. Shit is ridiculous. Out of Leaf Draft. BGS 10. Check that shit out. And for my ball PC and my skins PC, out of 07 Leaf Limited Team Threads. Sammy Baugh jersey, Sonny Jurgensen jersey, Joey T jersey, 87 out of 100. And last but not least, a 2010 Leaf Cut Signature Update, search for Joe Jackson, which I'm not even sure fucking exists, but whatever. Dual autograph, numbered out of 9. Mr. Sammy Baugh and Burt Bell. Burt Bell, I believe, was one of the first commissioners of the NFL. I think he was a coach for the Pittsburgh Steelers as well. But they were both members of the charter class of the Hall of Fame. Money pickup right there. Thanks for bearing with me, guys, after the bar. 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff to come, and I really, really do appreciate you guys watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, fellas.